Welcome. In this video, can ZBCN coin be 2 cents? We will analyze it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and please watch to the end to understand. There is a prominent and technically significant ascending trend structure visible on the chart. This structure shows that the price has been making higher lows and higher highs for some time. This indicates that investor sentiment is moving positively and that buying pressure is gaining strength in the market. In such ascending trends, every approach to the trend line is considered a potential buying opportunity. According to a widely accepted technical analysis approach, the ascending trend line acts as a dynamic support line. The fact that this ascending trend has not been broken is a very positive sign. The trend line has been tested by the price multiple times, each time successfully triggering upward reactions. This shows that the trend is strong and closely monitored by market participants. The price holding above this trend line confirms that the market structure remains intact and that the bulls are still in control. At the same time, this structure shows that the price is moving with discipline, and buyers continue to step in at certain levels. Each time the trend line is tested, an upward acceleration is observed, indicating that buying interest remains strong and the market finds these levels attractive. Especially the fact that the price has bounced off this trend line once again shows that the upside potential is still active. This proves that the current price action is technically healthy and sustainable. Also, as long as the price remains above the ascending trend line, even short-term corrections can be interpreted as constructive movements. As long as the price does not fall below the trend line, the technical structure will remain positive. This is a strong confidence signal for investors because price holding above the trend line maintains the potential to reach new highs at any time. Meanwhile, any possible correction movements during this process can form the foundation for a stronger rally later. The continuity of this trend is especially encouraging for investors to maintain their long-term targets. The price's ability to stay above this trend line also demonstrates that market confidence is strong. The trend line is generally a level closely monitored by major investors and algorithmic systems, and price bouncing off this level with significant volume represents market participants' trust in the trend. The commonly used technical analysis phrase, "the trend is your friend," applies perfectly here. This structure shows that the upward trend continues to be supported, and the market still maintains a positive outlook. Moreover, within this continuing ascending trend, the price action can form various technical patterns. For example, formations like flags, pennants, or triangles developing along the trend can provide technical signals that the uptrend will continue. Such patterns offer clearer opportunities to identify corrections and buying zones within the trend. This allows investors to receive more precise signals about the trend's continuation. In summary, the ascending trend line currently observed confirms that the price is moving in a healthy and positive structure. As long as the price stays above the trend line, the direction will remain upward. Maintaining such an uptrend technically strengthens investor psychology and increases market confidence. Price progressing without breaking this trend may signal new highs ahead. In other words, the upside potential is still strong. And if this move continues technically, encountering higher price levels will be possible. But we cannot base analysis solely on trends. Let's also look at other metrics. Stay tuned. When the chart is carefully examined, it is seen that price movements are progressing within a very distinct ascending channel structure. This formation is one of the frequently encountered and highly informative patterns in technical analysis. Ascending channel formations typically indicate that the market is moving upward in a healthy and balanced manner, representing a strong technical structure. The activity within the channel shows that the price continues to steadily turn its direction upward with both buyer and seller interest. Especially the fact that the price has broken above and closed above the middle band within this formation offers a positive technical signal. The middle band is usually located in the center of the channel and represents the equilibrium area of the price. This band acts as a directional reference point for both buyers and sellers. The price crossing this level upward and then returning to test this level, technically called a retest, is a very positive development. This move indicates that investors now perceive this level as support and are acting on the buying side here. Such pullbacks often lay the groundwork for the continuation of the rise and serve as preparation for the next upward wave. The price currently touching the middle band again and giving upward reactions shows that the buying side is still strong and investors are regaining confidence. This kind of retest movement can often signal a new rally. If this technical structure holds and the price gains strength from this level to start an upward move, the next target is expected to be the upper band of the channel. This upper band roughly corresponds to the 2-cent level. From a technical analysis perspective, this target appears quite reasonable and attainable. This ascending channel, closely followed by investors, not only signals direction, but also helps us understand how the price is moving within a certain structure. This formation clearly shows that the price is moving in a disciplined manner and that market participants respect this channel. Especially the activity inside the channel reveals that investors see every dip as a buying opportunity and believe this cycle will continue until the price reaches the upper band. In this context, the price's current effort to hold above the middle band can increase upward momentum, because if this retest at this level succeeds, it is technically considered a support-confirmed signal. In such a case, buying appetite increases, and the price is likely to challenge previous peak points. At the end of this process, a move up to the upper band of the channel can be expected, which indicates a potential to push the price to the 2-cent level. Additionally, ascending channel formations generally indicate that upward trends are progressing healthily. The price continuing to stay within the channel shows that the trend is sustainable. The lower band of the channel acts as support, while the upper band serves as a resistance area. As long as the price moves between these areas and maintains the trend direction, the expectation of continued upward movement remains. Particularly, breaking the middle band and then testing it usually signals an acceleration of the trend, and that buyers will execute bolder trades. In conclusion, the price is currently moving within a technically strong and healthy structure. The ascending channel is intact, the effort to hold above the middle band is noteworthy, and the reactions at this level paint a very positive picture. If this structure remains unbroken, and the price gains new momentum from here, testing the channel's upper band at the 2-cent level becomes a very strong possibility. A careful look at the chart analysis clearly shows that the price is currently positioned above the 200 EMA. This technical indicator is an important tool often used by long-term investors and professional traders, offering solid clues about the general direction of the market. Price moving above the 200 EMA is considered a harbinger of an uptrend, often referred to as a bull market in technical analysis. This outlook offers traders strong confidence both technically and psychologically. This is because price action above the 200 EMA indicates that buying pressure is prevailing in the market, and investors are hopeful about the future. The 200 EMA is based on the average of 200 periods of historical closing prices. This makes it an extremely powerful tool in determining the long-term direction of the market. In particular, the fact that it is free from short-term fluctuations helps traders make clearer decisions. For the time being, if the price continues to stay above this important average, it provides a huge advantage in terms of both the short-term and long-term outlook. Because as long as it stays above this level, the possibility of the price moving upwards is on a much stronger ground. The 200 EMA shows us the long-term trends. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe to my channel and like the video, more videos will be coming. Be careful in your investments. Analyze the risks correctly and always take strategic steps. I will be with you with different analyses, investment opportunities, and technical information in my videos. I wish you all a lot of profit. See you soon.